Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at multiplication lesson 14. We're going to be reviewing again because we're going to get one step forward in the next and last lesson when we come back for lesson 15. So, all right, 19 times 17. Okay, actually, you know what? Let's get our color pencils out. So again, make sure that we have 4 or 5 different colors. Let's do 5 colors this time. So let's start off by using our pencil and saying 19 times 17. Okay. All right. First, we're going to say 7 times 9 is 63. Carry the 6. Okay, get it our next color. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 6 is 13. All right. Now remember, we're done with the 6 because we added it in. We're going to add our 0. All right. Going back to our pink. So 1 times 9 is 9. Don't have to carry anything over. And 1 times 1 is 1. Now, here's where your fifth number color is. So far we've used, what, 3 colors? Guess you only needed 4 colors. Get our purple again and say plus. Adding it, 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry the 1. And that gives us 323. Great job. Okay, go ahead and line this up. Okay, starting with our black, let's say 46 times 78. Okay. First and foremost, 8 times 6 is 48. Let's get the 8, carry the 4. Blue. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 4 is 36. All right, cross that out, put my placeholder. Get my pink again. So 7 times 6 is 42, carry the 4. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 4 is 32. Oop, plus, now it's time to add. 8, 8, 5, 3. My answer was 3,588. Great job. Okay, let's try this next one together. Using your pencil, write 31 times 31. Okay. Pink first. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. That's a really bad. Okay, get our placeholder color 0. Okay. Now pink. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Get our last color and let's add these. We get 1, 6, and 9. So 961. All right, here are 2 problems. I want you to go ahead and work them out. And then come back and see if you did them right. Okay, you just said 42 times 74. Now, remember when I told you to keep things nice and neat, don't try to make the numbers small. I like to make mine bigger, yes. Sometimes I run out of room and I have to get another paper. But it also, when I do it that way, I can easier line them up. And I don't misjudge a number or think it is another number that it isn't. I can easily see it. All right, so here we go. Pink. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. All right, placeholder. Moving to the 10s. 7 times 2 is 14. Carry the 1. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 1 is 29. And we're ready to add 8, 10. Oop, not there, wrong spot. Put it over here. See how easily it is to make a mistake? That's why I say never use pen, always use pencil. So you can erase and put it in the right spot. 9 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. Carry it up. 2 plus 1 is 3. So my answer is 3,108. Okay, go ahead and pause this video and look over your problem. If you got it correct, wonderful job. if you made a mistake, go through with a highlighter and find your mistake. Because when we can find our mistakes, we can learn from them. All right, here we go. 98 times 58. And again, see how nice and neat I'm lining things up? Super important when it comes to math. All right, here we go. 8 times 8 is 64. I'm going to put that there and here's 6 up. 8 times 9 is 72 plus 6 is 78. Get my fancy color from my placeholder. Because remember, we're moving to the 10, so our answer has to start in the 10. 8, and we're done with the 6. 8 times 5 is 40. Carry the 4. And 5 times 9 is 45 plus 4 is 39. I'm lining them up so it's nice and easy to add. 4 and 0 is 4. 8 and 0 is 8. 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry the 1. That gets me 4. So my answer is 4,684. Great job. All right. Again, using that highlighter, go back and try to figure out where you made your mistake. If you can't find your mistake and you need some help, I would love to help you back at my table. All right. Go ahead and head back to Classcraft and continue on your pathway. You have one more lesson for multiplication. Great job.